Field evaluation and hazardous classified location field certification are two different processes that are both used to assess and verify the safety of electrical equipment and installations, but they are applied in different contexts and for different purposes. A field evaluation is an assessment of electrical equipment and installations in the field, with the goal of ensuring that they are electrically safe, reliable, and compliant with relevant safety standards and codes. Field evaluations can be performed on many types of electrical equipment. For non-hazardous location equipment, assemblies of components can either be certified by an accredited body approved by Standards Council of Canada, or if meeting certain requirements, can be field evaluated to the CSA SPE 1000 model code. In contrast, a hazardous classified location field certification, HAZLOC, is specifically focused on electrical equipment and installations that are intended for use in hazardous classified locations, such as areas where flammable gases, vapors, liquids, or combustible dusts are present. Hazardous classified locations present unique safety challenges, and the electrical equipment and installations used in these environments must be designed, installed, and maintained in a way that minimizes the risk of ignition and explosion, and that they are suitable for use in the specific hazardous location where they are installed. The process has a particular focus on the method of protection of the electrical system or electrical equipment, and potential sources of ignition and explosion are identified. Many people ask whether they can have their hazardous location equipment approved to the SPE 1000. The answer is no, they cannot. HAZLOC equipment is outside the scope of the SPE 1000. Therefore, assemblies built for hazardous locations must be certified for its use, type of location, and as per its method of protection outlined in the Canadian Electrical Code, Part 1, Rule 2, 024, which states approval to the type and rating for the specific purpose for which it is to be employed. A hazardous classified location certification is required instead of a field evaluation when it has been determined that the electrical equipment is hazardous or the installation is located inside a hazardous classified area, as explained in our video, What is a Hazardous Location? And Rule 2, 024 of the Code and Section 2, 022. The Canadian Electrical Code states that all equipment shall be approved, and that to be approved, equipment must be certified by a certification organization accredited by the Standards Council of Canada. eSAFE is an accredited certification and inspection body accredited by the Standards Council of Canada. At eSAFE, our scope of accreditation covers equipment operating in explosive atmospheres, as well as those being used in non-hazardous locations. All field evaluations to the SPE 1000 and field certifications, including hazardous classified location certifications, use applicable CSA standards. We rely on our quality management system to ensure the correct process is followed in all field evaluations and field certifications, including hazardous classified location certification, with built-in safeguards and regular audits by the Standards Council of Canada, so that you can trust everything meets ISO 17020 or ISO 17065 standards. How can I contact eSAFE to get the process started? The process is easy. Visit our website and complete a request for quote, better known as an RFQ.